transferring Amazon gift card balance to another account. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you guys can transfer Amazon gift card balance to another account. So let's get started. Suppose you have Amazon gift card and now you want to transfer the balance to any of your friends' account. So how can you do that? In order to do that, you just have to go to Google and search for Amazon. Now on the Amazon, you will go to their website, and on their website, you have to log in into your account. Now, as you can see, I'm on Amazon, and first I will log into my account. After logging in, I will go back to Google and I'm going to search for Amazon Wallet on laptop or my computer. So here you can see I'm searching for Amazon Wallet, and from the results section, I will get the result and I will simply click on this website. Now after that, in Amazon Wallet, I can pay account here. So you have to go to the gift card section, and there you have to click on the redeem a gift card, and then you will easily be able to put your Amazon gift card there. Now if you want to transfer your money from Amazon gift card to your account, you will be able to follow these steps. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.